Imagine standing in the middle of a silent desert at night. No wind, no sound, just darkness. Then suddenly, something massive passes overhead. No lights, no roar of an engine, only a faint hum like a ghost in the sky. You look up, but see nothing. Yet, in that moment, your phone loses signal. Your watch stops ticking, and your skin crawls. What you just felt wasn't a plane. It was a drone. A machine so advanced, so secret, it's practically invisible. Welcome to the terrifying world of modern military drones. Machines that don't just watch, they hunt, strike, and disappear. And the scariest part, you were never supposed to know they exist. Stay tuned, we're diving into the most unbelievable military drones in existence that are reshaping warfare, from stealth beasts that vanish off the radar to swarm drones that can literally think together. This is the future of combat, and it's already here. Before we take flight, make sure to hit the subscribe button, hype the video up, and hit that like button. Let's shoot for 2,000 likes this video, and comment down below if you've ever seen a drone in real life, and how did it make you feel? Let's get started. The RQ-180, the ghost in the sky. Let's start with a drone so secretive that even satellite trackers barely believe it exists. The RQ-180, nicknamed the Great White Bat. This drone was designed by Northrop Grumman, the same company behind the legendary B-2 Spirit stealth bomber. But unlike the B-2, the RQ-180 doesn't carry bombs. It carries something far more dangerous: eyes. It's built to fly higher than 70,000 feet, well above commercial airliners, scanning entire countries with its advanced radar and sensors. And it does so completely invisible to enemy radar. There are no official images, but pilots and radar operators have whispered stories. Some say the RQ-180 can stay airborne for days, powered by solar energy and efficient stealth engines. Others claim it can infiltrate enemy airspace without anyone knowing it was ever even there. It's not designed to fight, it's designed to know. And in modern warfare, information is deadlier than bombs. The real fear? If it can spy on enemy nations without detection, it can just as easily spy on anyone. You, me, entire populations without ever appearing on a single radar screen. This is the ghost that rewrote surveillance. If the RQ-180 is the ghost, the MQ-9 Reaper is the angel of death. It's the drone most people imagine when they think of US military power. Long wings, powerful engine, and that eerie hovering presence. You realize how terrifyingly efficient it actually is. Each Reaper can stay in the air for over 27 hours straight, carrying Hellfire missiles and laser-guided bombs. But it's not just a flying weapon, it's a patient predator. Imagine sitting in a control room, thousands of miles away, piloting a drone through desert heat in another continent. Your hand moves a joystick, and halfway across the world, the Reaper tilts its wings. It locks onto a single person walking on a dirt road. Seconds later, silence turns to fire. The MQ-9 can track multiple targets simultaneously, flying into storms and launching precision attacks from 50,000 feet, so accurate that it can destroy a vehicle while leaving the car next to it untouched. But what makes it truly terrifying is its endurance. It doesn't get tired, it doesn't blink, it doesn't hesitate, and in the wrong hands, that kind of power becomes unstoppable. Some call it a protector, others call it a symbol of modern fear, because when the Reaper circles overhead, no one escapes unnoticed. Now we enter the realm of artificial intelligence, and this is where things start to get truly unsettling. The X-47B is not just a drone, it's an autonomous fighter. That means it doesn't need a human pilot. It can take off, fly, refuel, land, and even make a tactical combat decision all on its own. Developed by, you guessed it, Northrop Grumman, the X-47B is shaped like a futuristic stealth triangle. It can fly from aircraft carriers, perform attack missions, and return without a single command from a human hand. During test flights, engineers witnessed something extraordinary. The drone learned how to adjust its flight path in real time to avoid collisions and improve efficiency. Think about that. A machine learning to outsmart the wind, the environment, even human pilots in mid-air. Military called it a leap forward in autonomous aviation. But let's be honest, this is a leap into the future where machines can wage war without permission. The biggest question now, what happens when these drones start communicating with each other? Sky filled with thinking machines, capable of deciding who's an enemy and who's not? It's just classified reality. Not all drones are massive. In fact, some are eerie precisely because they're small. The switchblade is a weapon that fits into a backpack, but it's one of the deadliest modern inventions. Picture this: a soldier on the battlefield pulls a small tube out of his bag, launches a tiny drone that looks harmless. It flutters into the air, silently scanning. Then, once it locks on a target, a tank, a sniper, a moving truck, it dives down and detonates itself. Picture that one drone in The Incredibles that's scanning for Mr. Incredible as he hides in the sea. Similar to that. One hit, one explosion, mission complete. This is called a loitering munition, meaning it can fly around for minutes, even hours, waiting for the perfect strike. The Switchblade doesn't just attack, it chooses when to attack. The smaller version, the Switchblade 300, is used for personnel. The larger 600 model can take out armored vehicles. They're cheap, portable, and deadly accurate, but the real concern? These can easily fall into anyone's hands. A single soldier or even a rogue group could carry a weapon that once required an entire squadron to deliver. The complete opposite end of the spectrum lies something that feels straight out of a spy movie: the Black Hornet Nano. It's so small, it fits in your palm. It looks like a toy helicopter. Yet it's a $200,000 surveillance device that can record, map, and transmit data in real time, all while being nearly invisible. Developed in Norway, this micro drone is used by elite forces worldwide. Soldiers can send it ahead into cities, tunnels, and even forests. Then they stealthily scout, never revealing their position. Imagine being a soldier behind cover, launching what looks like a little bug. Within seconds, it's inside enemy territory, quietly hovering near a window, recording their every move like a fly on the wall. Here's the most chilling part: it's completely silent and undetectable. No sound, no glare, no shadow. If the RQ-80 is the ghost in the sky, the Black Hornet is the ghost in your room. The future drones like this might be small enough to mimic real insects, blending with the environment, gathering intelligence without a trace. The war of tomorrow isn't about who has the biggest gun, it's about which spider weaves the tightest web. And here's a bonus for you. Now imagine this: hundreds of drones flying together like a flock of birds, but controlled by one AI brain. They communicate, adapt, and attack as one living organism. These are swarm drones, and they are redefining warfare completely. Instead of sending one large aircraft, the military can release an army of miniature drones that overwhelm defenses, confuse radar systems, and destroy everything in their path. Some prototypes are already being tested, each drone small enough to fit in your hand, but powerful enough to carry a small explosive or disrupt signal. You cannot shoot them all together. You cannot jam them all together. They think together. Some may say when machines think together, maybe humanity is no longer the smartest force on the battlefield. I guess that's for you to decide. Alright, so here's the truth. Drones are not just tools. They're the beginning of a new kind of intelligence. One that doesn't sleep, doesn't question, and doesn't feel. This is a little scary. From stealth drones like the RQ-180 to microscopic spies like the Black Hornet, drones are now the silent rulers of the sky, and every year they become faster, smarter, and deadlier. The battlefield is no longer about who's stronger, it's about who goes undetected. Maybe one day humans won't even fight wars at all. Maybe it's just going to be a war of machines. When that happens, I pose this question to you: who will decide when the war ends? That's the terrifying question of the drone age. This deep dive into the world of military drones left you thinking twice about the skies above? Imagine what else is out there, still classified, still unseen. The future isn't coming, it's already hovering right above us. Anyways, thanks for watching, and if you want more mind-blowing breakdowns into the unknown and nature, make sure to like, hype, share, and subscribe to our channel, where curiosity meets the unbelievable. And remember, stay alert, because the quietest sky might be watching.